How to create account on Fantasy Premier League. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open the app on your phone. Then you want to tap on Fantasy, that is the very middle option. Then you want to tap on I need to register. Tap on I need to register on the top right corner again. So here you need to put your first name, scroll down and put your last name, scroll down and put your email address, scroll down a little bit and then set your password. After that, scroll down and then put your gender identity, enter birth date, then enter country or region of residence, then enter your phone number, then tap on next. Now you can change your club and tap on next. Now you can do the following activities here and then put a tick mark if you have partner emails. Then you want to scroll down a little bit and read all the privacy policy, then tap on update preferences. After that, you can change email address or you can just sign in. Tap on sign me in now to sign in right now. After that, tap on done. And that is how you can create account on Fantasy Premier League. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.